In contrast to heat engines, a refrigerator is a device designed to transfer heat from a cold reservoir to a hot reservoir. Its primary purpose is to maintain a cold space by continuously removing heat from it, despite the surrounding warmer environment. This process requires an external energy input. The operation mechanism of a refrigerator requires a continuous input of external work to function. This work, often supplied by an electric motor driving a compressor, enables the heat transfer against its natural direction.